Introducing the undefeated Triangle Expert Advisor version 3.2 for MT4 Unlimited. This Expert Advisor can work on 3 pairs that are odd NZD, odd CAD and NZD CAD, and it works on mini accounts. By mini, I mean you can start by depositing just $1. Yes, that is true. And in this video, I will share the backtesting result of this Expert Advisor on my VPS $1,000 live account. So let's get straight to the point. On my screen now, I am trading the Expert Advisor Undefeated Triangle EA version 3.2 for MT4. Right here, I have this Expert Advisor's file and here is the indicators file. And I also have the installation instruction that is given right here. And currently I am trading this EA on one of my VPSs consisting $1,000, and this is a live account. It is a trial account for your information, and I am trading this EA on the odd CAD pair and M15 time frame. And you can see this is how this Expert Advisor's user interface looks like. It has taken trades here and here and here. So it has placed a lot of trades on 0.02 lot size on odd NZD pair, odd CAD pair and odd NZD pair and odd CAD pair. So it started trading from 18th of December. I placed it on 17th, and from 18th it has started trading on different pairs with a fixed lot size. So today is 26th of December, and within 1 week I have gained a profit amount of $6.26. Right here is the profit amount, and I will share this Expert Advisor's properties as well. Right here I have the input section. You can just copy the settings, or else you can customize as far as your wishes and your needs. It is just the first week that I am leveraging this Expert Advisor on a demo account, and it's not a huge amount of profit that I have gained, but I would say that I have enough trades to analyze this Expert Advisor's performance. And one of the biggest thing that this Expert Advisor offers you is a very good risk management for smaller account sizes. So you can get started with any amount and you can trade with 3 different pairs, odd CAD, odd NZD and NZD CAD, and use smaller lot sizes like 0.01 for a small account. And if you have accounts more than $500, you can use different lot sizes like 0.03 or 0.04, but do not increase your lot size more than that. This Expert Advisor is available on our official website fxtrack.org for just $25, and I will share the original product right here that is available on MQL5's official website for $699. However, you will get the same product from us for just $25, and if you purchase this same product from our Telegram group directly, you will get it for $20 only. This is our official Telegram group, Your Forex Premium. This is the joining link, and I have given this joining link in the description section of this video. Check it out and join our channel, and subscribe our YouTube channel for more such Expert Advisors and indicator review videos. Thank you so much for watching. Visit again. Additionally, we can track or unlock any Expert Advisor that you provide via our official website yourforex.net or our official Telegram channel Your Forex Premium Support. Link is given in the description section. We will give you a pricing to remove the comment, license timing or unlimited accounts for either MT5 or MT4 or both. Price of the MT5 will be higher than the regular. Thank you.